Hey guys, and I think we are live this time. I remember my first time I did a live, it went really bad because I was like 6 minutes into it and I didn't even know I was live. So testing, I'm good, right, guys? Oh, we got 5 people in here. So in this video, we're gonna talk about. I wanted to talk about some meme tokens because like the meme token market has been going crazy. I don't know if you guys have been like following what's going on with Shiba Inu, but oh my god, is literally up like 900% in literally just a month, right? So I'm just at a point where I'm thinking like, what's the point of doing any fundamentals? Did I do it again? What did I do again? Oh no, the same thing from the last time. No, I didn't. Which is good. I got it the first time. But yeah, I wanted to go live because I don't really go live often. I wanted to do it more so I can get more comfortable doing it. But I wanted to talk about some meme tokens. I got a lot of suggestions from other people in the Telegram group that are to look into some coins. But I don't know, like, how many of you guys have been invested in Shiba Inu? Like, are you guys in Shiba Inu right now? Because, like, I'm not, and I'm regretting every single second of it. But, like, what is it? Like, if you have, like, 900, if you had, like, $1,000 in Shiba Inu since, like, since last August, you would have had like what? Not even last August. Like if you had $1,000 in Shiba Inu, you would have had like $600 million or like $1 billion. It's ridiculous. When do I think SundaeSwap will come out? Honestly, that's a good question. I think SundaeSwap is probably gonna come out by end of November or December. I mean, in a perfect world, SundaeSwap will most likely come out when everything finish, like when the meld ISO finishes. That would be freaking crazy. But in terms of SundaeSwap, if you guys see my previous videos, like I am super bullish and hyped for this project because like arguably it's one of the bigger projects on Cardano in terms of the following. Like it's 181K. Last time I checked on this, it's like it was 177,000 people that's followed to it. Like I know that might not be a perfect indication to see how well the project is gonna do, but I mean it is a good sign to see like a lot of engagement that people are waiting for it. Like even if you go into Cardano, the Cardano groups like Reddits, you'll see a lot of people talking about SundaeSwap. Like I post a video there every now and then, so I can get more exposure to the channel. And I don't even like talk about SundaeSwap, and people are asking about SundaeSwap. So it's pretty crazy to see like how big it's gonna get. I think it's gonna be huge. I think it's gonna be like one of the best opportunities. Now in terms of the meme coins at 10,000x, like if you guys seen my previous videos, like the previous videos, I honestly think the meme coins will be launched on SundaeSwap. Like I know there's one, I don't know if you guys have been in the Telegram group, but there's this one cryptocurrency that a lot of this one person, random person, was suggesting to look into, and it was called Shrek or something. I don't even know, but like it's just basically they're just waiting for SundaeSwap to go live, and basically once it goes live, then it's going to be more like they're gonna launch on SundaeSwap, and then they're gonna create a lot of hype. Well, I think that's most likely gonna be like a scam or like some kind of rug pull that's gonna happen, but people are making money. I mean, I thought Safemoon was gonna do that too, but clearly it isn't. It went crazy. Will Shiba hit 0.001 cents? Honestly, at this point, like anything's fair game in terms of what the hell is gonna happen in the market in the next 3 to 4 months. Like back when, to give you like perspective, like I was in the market since like 2017, and one of the things that people would always say, it's impossible for Ripple to hit over $1. It's impossible. This was back when like Ripple was like at like 3-4 cents when I first learned about crypto, and then right after that, the market like Ripple hit an all-time high of like $4 or like $3.5, something like that, depending on the exchange. Like that, I think that's whole, like anything's fair game at this point, especially if Bitcoin hits like 400K, 300K, and it really goes parabolic. I think that it's gonna be like, it's gonna have a lot of craziness in the market. Now the more this market is playing out, the more I think we're gonna go into a bear market, a crypto winter in the next 4 to 5 months. Like at first, at one point, I was thinking that maybe we aren't going in a crypto winter. Maybe a Bitcoin super cycle where like Bitcoin continuously goes up because of mass adoption. That's a theory because of like we're in the transition phase of mainstream investing for Bitcoin, and like versus like it's a high risk investment. So I think because of that, because of all the hype that we're building in the whole crypto market, like Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, all these meme tokens, like it has to pop. We have to go into a bear market. That's gonna happen. Well, can't wait. Are you gonna enter it for the first second it comes out, or are you gonna wait? So I made a video on SundaeSwap in terms of what my plan was. You'll see some other videos on my previous videos, but to just give you a little rundown as to what I'm gonna be doing. I'm going to be staking, participating about 80% of my stack for ADA is going to go into the ISO, right? And then the last 20% is going to go into just buying the tokens. Now, as the price there's going to be a lot of volatility when SundaeSwap comes out. When everything starts to settle and it goes sideways for a bit, then I'll start to reduce the amount I'm staking, and I'll start to expose myself more to SundaeSwap, because I think like if everything goes well, this is literally going to be the pancake swap of Cardano, the Uniswap of Ethereum, but it's on Cardano. Like it's going to be at that kind of level. I really think it will, because of the community. The only way this thing fails is that they released a really crappy product, which I don't think they will. Obviously, I'm a little bit biased, but we'll see. So I did it. Just you bought some cat girl coin? Oh my god. What is wrong with you guys? Like, what are you guys doing? Oh wait, wrong button. Where is it? The website. This is the coin. Like, this is cat girl. I don't know if you guys heard about cat girl. This is a Binance Smart Chain coin, and like the website is just, I don't even know. Like apparently Elon Musk was tweeting about this website. This crypto project. He like did a reply, and then since he talked about it, it went over 127%. Like this is ridiculous. Like I don't get how this is happening. Honestly, this is a good sign to say that we are still very much in a bull run, and alt season is going to be even crazier. Think about right now, meme coins are just going to go for a run, and a lot of the cryptocurrencies you're seeing, like if you look at all the good cryptos that are fundamentally strong, like Polkadot, Solana, Cardano, like they've been sleeping over the last, since what, like May or April of this year. So there's a long time for reconsolidation there, and the true alt season, I think, is when you see these kinds of coins like Ripple. If it ever hits double digits, I think that means we're in like the peak or like a very good run in the alt season. I just don't believe the alt season would finish without Ripple breaking its all-time high. I mean, Ripple has that whole like community around it, and they're just waiting patiently trying to break a new all-time high. I know some people who are holding since it came out, like literally like from the last bull run, and they're still down money because they're just diamond handing it. So it's really going to be crazy to see what's going to happen. Why? I don't know as to why, to what. Maybe I forgot the question. I probably got out of off topic. Crypto winter by March next year. Yeah, so there's something good that's going to be happening. I believe the merge for Ethereum is going to happen when you'll be able to withdraw your Ethereum 2.0, your Ethereum that you locked up in ETH 2.0. A lot of people is predicting that the market's going to crash right after that, because people are going to want to sell and take profits. But it's going to be interesting for sure. I really want to know what the hell is going to happen for Bitcoin. But anyways, this whole thing is about meme coins, and all the 15 people here, I really appreciate you guys being here. If you guys just hit the like button, it really helps grow the channel. But let's look into the reason why I wanted to make a meme token video is because I found this coin called Dogedash. Now, I haven't put any money into this. I'm not getting paid by anyone to talk about this. I'm like just literally looking through a lot of like just a whole crap load of shit coins, and like I finally now found one that was like, this is a top 800 coin, I believe. My my light's in my light's in the way, so like I can't really see the top left corner of my screen. Okay, so it's up 17% right now. It's a top 876 coin, so fairly a low cap coin on Binance Smart Chain. So the volume is 1.4 million, and it's been like since they released this token was literally in October. October. So not even 10, like a little bit over 10 days ago that this came out, and it hit an all-time high over here, and it crashed. And then when the whole Dogecoin rally started to happen, like Dogecoin started to hit go high, it's up 30% today. Then this coin started to go up, and all the Doge coins are starting to go up. So the reason why I found this interesting is because, one, the community is pretty decent big on there. Let's see, there we go, we're back. So the community, they have like about 4,500 followers, but the reason why it brought me to it is because it plays more so on what's really hyped right now. So play to earn games is really hyped right now. So they have a video game, like a mobile app that's supposed to come soon, right? I highly doubt this app is even going to ever release. I mean, like they're saying that if you play this game, you have to pay to play it, but if you win the game in your run that you play, you can win your tokens, right, as a play to earn game. Now I don't like, there's like a 95% chance that this is not gonna be coming out. I think they just paid an animator and then just made it look cool, and just to have some marketing behind it. I mean, that's a lot of these meme tokens. And to be honest, at one point I was thinking today, I was like, what if I just make my own meme coin? Like just make a Doge version, see what the hell happens, and make a series out of it. But I don't know, like I'm not trying to scam people or anything like that, but Shiba to 1 cent, yeah, I guess like if that happens, it'll be worth more than all crypto right now. I mean, that would be uncalled for. Most underrated crypto YouTuber, thank you, I really appreciate that. And ranking meme token or business model. I don't even know, man. Like it's really getting, I'm getting so not mad, but I don't know what the right word is. But when I heard about like Shiba Inu going up 1,000% over the last month, because I don't pay attention to those coins, I just pay attention to the coins like the ones I'm invested in, like Ethereum, Bitcoin, Cardano, all like my bigger bags I actually dollar cost average every single paycheck. I look at Shiba Inu, I'm like, oh, I should have just went all in. I should have said screw fundamentals and just like sold everything I have and just put it on Shiba Inu. I would be worth over $1 million if I did that. But it's ridiculous as to what the hell's going on. That's why I'm trying to find. That's why I see the opportunity on Cardano, because SundaeSwap is going to really have those opportunities, right? Because all of these coins, they're being launched on like Binance Smart Chain, right? Like it's ridiculous. It's completely easy. Anyone can make a cryptocurrency on Binance Smart Chain. You just need some BNB in your wallet, and then boom, you have a meme coin. You just hire a marketer, and then like hire someone to make a website, make it look cool, make the art look really like I guess childish in this sense, and then it'll do good. Released a meme coin on Cardano. Unfortunately, I'm not a developer. It's not. I doubt there's any guides on that. What do you say about cat girl coin? My stream stopped. It seems like a quick ride to the moon. Satoshi, cat coin girl. Just to reiterate, like it's probably gonna pump, to be honest, with everything that's going on. But like, it's no way this survives the bear market. I would be like, no way 99% of these coins will survive the bear market. I'm telling you, like the bear market was depressing. When they say crypto winter, it is really sad to see your coins go down that much. Let's just take this off the screen so people are not just joining the stream and going like, what the hell is this guy talking about, cat girls and stuff. Like in terms of like, I don't know if you guys know the history of Shiba Inu or like what's going on with that, but apparently it was very calculated as to what they were trying to do. Like apparently the developers of Shiba Inu even met with Vitalik in like 2017 or 18, and it's been in the works. So it's no surprise that Shiba Inu is where it's at right now. And I guess like it's on Coinbase. The fact that it's on Coinbase right now, they had a plan. And it just sucks that if you just looked at it, found this coin, you would have made life-changing wealth. 95% of my investments are in Bitcoin, Ethereum, ADA, and then it's some higher risks like EMP, VRA. Yeah, that's the game, right? The game right now is to increase your Bitcoin stack. Like I know I'm a bull on Bitcoin. I mean, I'm bull on Ethereum, Cardano. Like, yes, I understand that it's gonna do good, but my primary goal is to increase my position on Bitcoin. If I leave the bull market before we get into a bear market with more Bitcoin, I don't even care if Bitcoin goes down 40%, 50%. Like, I know it's gonna bounce back. You just know it will. That's just the goal, and that should be the primary goal. And if you guys aren't even exposed to any like high risk, not meme coins, like I think meme coins are. Like, I don't like meme coins. Like, it goes against every single thing I believe in terms of investing. But I am willing to gamble a little bit, $100 there, $100 here. But you have to get into like the higher risk, like good quality crypto projects. So this whole series, I don't know if you guys saw the thumbnail, the risky corner. I don't know if you guys like the name, but it's I'm gonna make a series once a week where we go over high risk investments. We'll even go through my portfolio. I'm debating on even having a public portfolio with you guys so you guys can see the trades as to what I'm going, like how it's doing, like is it doing well or anything like that. That's what my plan is to do it, so we'll see how that goes. I have a lot of plans for the channel. Hopefully everything goes well. Then the super high risk ones, like not even 1,000, like 1,000% returns, hidden gems. Yeah, those are the ones that you have to go for. Stay away from rebase tokens. If you can elaborate on that, I don't really know. I prefer wife changing wealth. I guess, yeah, well, the wealth is so life-changing, a wife just randomly appears in front of you. I mean, it works. Having one Bitcoin is a goal, then sit on that for 7+ years. Meme coins, yeah, that's the goal. If you own one Bitcoin, you're like among the I think it was like 0.02% or 1% of the world that can even own one Bitcoin. And that's in itself, like if Bitcoin becomes like what it's supposed to be, a reserved asset, a world reserved asset, better than gold, it's going to yield you a lot of money. The thing is that when that happens, when regulations hit, these meme tokens are gone. Like I highly doubt these meme tokens are gonna still be existing 10 years from now, 15 years from now, when regulation really set in and everything is just like 100%, like there's no more like uncertainty in terms of crypto. Meme coins are like playing the poke machine at the local pub. Yeah, it definitely is. It's hard to risk 100 when the gas fee is 200. You are 100% right with the whole gas fees on Ethereum. That's why a lot of these meme tokens, if you look, they're being launched on Binance Smart Chain, right? And it's gonna be like that until like Ethereum 2.0 comes out and when the fees get significantly reduced. The one thing to remember is that like other projects, networks like Cardano, like Solana too. Solana has been releasing a lot of other cryptocurrency because of the low fees. Those ones are going to be where the spotlight's going to be, right? Which brings me to my next point I wanted to talk about. That was a good segue. Immutable X, right? So Immutable X is the first layer 2 of NFTs on Ethereum. So a lot of these projects are releasing right now. These NFT projects that are releasing, in terms of these new projects, right? So Immutable X is the first layer 2 protocol for NFTs on Ethereum. So this means that everything gets transacted off chain. So you don't have to pay the gas fees. So once you connect your wallet here, I can do like a little bit of a tutorial. Like I have to like move my mouse for you guys so you guys can see a little bit. There you go. So once you go for, like, say you want to buy a lucky dog, right? Like I don't even know, I looked into it briefly today. It's just the artwork looks good, right? And it looks similar to like the theme of like Bored Ape Yacht Club, whatever they call it. But anyway, so you have this right here, and you can purchase it, right? And the fees will be 0. But the thing is that you need to deposit your funds onto the layer 2, right? Which is Immutable X. So deposit Ethereum. If I deposit my Ethereum right now on my MetaMask into here, I'm going to be able to buy anything on that on it. There's a lot of projects that are launching on Immutable X, and I think it's a very good opportunity right now to take a look at, to see some NFTs to gamble on and speculate, because this is going to be a very big platform. You're going to have to believe this is going to be a very big platform. A lot of projects that are already like play to earn games that require a lot of microtransactions, they're going to be launched here, right? Illuvium is one of the most anticipated play to earn games that is coming out. I know I talked about this in my last stream. This, guys, if you haven't looked into this game, if you're a gamer at all, please look into this game. I'm telling you guys, it is going to be one of the biggest play to earn games on for crypto. It's basically a Pokemon verse where you can like catch these creatures or whatever, have them fight, level them up, and you farm NFTs. It's very similar to what Axie Infinity is. You can fight other people, other players. It's going to be, and they're going to be on the Immutable chain, Immutable's layer 2. So it's going to be 0 fees, and it's going to be scalable for actual. There's a lot of people backing this project, a lot of people. This is going to be one of the biggest games on this for play to earn right now, for sure, by far. Where was I? Stay away from. It's how to raise 100 when the gas meme coins aren't for the long run. 1000x increases, and you can exit. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, definitely. Let's look at the coin market cap for ILV. Yeah, over the last it's really a good opportunity like for this. Play to earn games, Metaverse, these kinds of things are gonna be big. I mean, take a look at Facebook, right? Facebook just named their company to Meta, renamed their parent company to Meta. That's gonna be big, right? Because they're focusing around the Metaverse, and a lot of these play to earn games like Decentralized, Sandbox, they're all focused around the Metaverse. And a lot of those 10x, 10,000x opportunities, 100,000x opportunities, they're gonna be. You have to look at what the big guys are doing, right? Facebook tried to launch their own cryptocurrency called Libra, and then they tried to name it to Diem, and then they got shut down. They weren't able to do it. But now they're changing their company to Meta because they want to focus around Metaverse. So they already know what cryptocurrency is. They know the potential. That's why they want to incorporate their own cryptocurrency. So you have to see what this is. You have to focus on Metaverse investments. I'm telling you, that's going to be the future. But obviously not finance advice, right? Because I'm just crypto buff. What network is Illuvium on? 88 or Binance Smart Chain? It's on Ethereum. That's why they're releasing on Immutable X, because Immutable X is they don't have to worry about the high gas fees or anything like that. In terms, we gotta be on Immutable X and are coming with huge Metaverse project. Let me check it out. That's why I'm doing these lives, so I can check out new projects, see which new videos I can make for you guys. So this is, I just want to make sure you guys can see everything. Okay, so digital collectibles come in limited edition releases, can be purchased, sold, and traded. I won't watch the video right now. So what is this? It seems like, is it like they already partnered with Marvel or something, or like these big? They have a big following. That's a good sign. I'll check this out. I'll put more use more detail. I mean, do more research on this, but it looks like they have partnerships with freaking Marvel. Let's look at the drop. So are they making like NFTs out of comics? Like comics out of NFTs? VV Disney. Oh, okay. Oh, that's crazy. So basically, this is we know how big collectibles are on Disney. Like I know there's some people that spend like millions of dollars for like the original action figure for like Spider-Man or something like that. So like if they have a partnership with Disney, that's gonna be huge. Like these guys are gonna be big. It doesn't look like they have their own token though. No matter if fandom VV has you covered, whether you love pop, gaming, sports. So essentially, when I'm looking at this, my first impressions are that they're trying to bring NFTs mainstream by partnering with big networks that people love, like Disney, like these networks that people grew up with. Because so essentially, it's bringing NFTs more mainstream, so people can understand, relate to it more, right? Well, not relate to us because millennials right now or like older generation, they don't really see value in NFTs. I guess they'll see value in like the older, like the newer generation would find value in something like this. Omi token, let's check it out. And in terms of you asked if you can buy Immutable X right now. No, you can't, unfortunately. They had an ICO in September. You won't be able to buy it right now. Is it this? No, it's not. Omi token. Is it like not on Coin Market? Is it on CoinGecko? I guess am I not looking at it right or something? But anyways, oh, so that was the right one. Okay, okay. Let me go back. Anyways, so in terms, so this is a token up 8%. The whole market's up, so that's 1,000%. Holy crap, it's up. See, this is what I'm talking about. Like these are like I get so jealous of these games. Like I'm just here doing a nice risk-free portfolio, but I do have my high risk investments, which we can go over right now. I don't mind to, but we will after I talk the rest about the cryptocurrency we're going to talk about if you guys want. Do you guys want to know what I'm holding, like my high risk side of everything? If you guys do, just smash that like button, that cringe. Smash that like button, guys, So anyways, so there's a Cardano project. So what I've been noticing, I want to talk about this project. I want to make a full video on this later on. This is just a little bit of an intro. Now, I'm pretty, there's a lot of these tokens right now, these projects that are releasing on Cardano that are so early, and because it's so early, the infrastructure for Cardano for meme tokens to release isn't there yet, right? SundaeSwap is going to be the main platform that can help with that infrastructure with other projects to launch, and so people can properly gamble. Now this is a DeFi protocol on Cardano, right? But you can buy NFTs through the buy the NFTs that they are selling and stake it. So you could have minted it and staked it for X amount of VeFi tokens per day, right? They had an ICO recently, but it's closed now. But if you have these tokens, these cards, you can buy it off of here and stake it onto the network. Now, the market isn't live for the VeFi token yet, but I guess you have to just figure out what the value is going to be, because the ICO was like 60 cents or something like that. But in terms of that, I guess you just have to, if you want to look into this project, I will be making a video on this later on this week or next week. All right, so I'll just go over my high risk investment with you guys. I don't know why I'm like, it's like the high risk investments, like people don't really want to talk about that. Like I don't really like talking about my high risk ones. So let's talk about one of my super high risk ones that I'm exposed to right now, which is called BAB. Now, this is not finance advice, guys. Please, please, please do your own research. The spiel about everything. So this token, I would argue and say this is a little too crappy for me, but like essentially what they're trying to do on paper is really good in terms of trying to bring banking to the micro economy where people don't have any access to reliable banks. So these guys are trying to bring cryptocurrency, like blockchain technology, and include other people who don't have access to stable banks. So more like second, third world countries when they don't have like a safe place to put their money. So this is what that is, and they're trying to become a bank. They've been applying for multiple bank. Oh no, don't buy this and lose money. But anyways, now in terms of this project, this is one of my higher risk bags I have right now. So far, I would say I'm up on this project, but I would say that this would pump, and if you make money on it, just get out. Like if it pumps, just get out, because the lack of community, for this is just too crazy. It's not. Sorry, someone's coming to my room. Yeah, that was my mom who just entered the room. I don't know. Sorry about that interruption. Anyway, so this token, the reason why I saw value into it was because banking is good for it's a lot of buzzwords, I guess, right? Inclusive financial services for the world. I thought it was interesting. I've been holding this bag though since 2018, I think, like, so for 3 years, and I'm up like 4x, 5x on my investment, my original investment when I put up. So I put, like, at the time, like when I invested in money into this, in total I put like, I think 10 grand into it, something like that, like roughly 10 grand. So I made like 4x on that. I'm still holding the bag right now. But it all depends, like it's really high risk, I would say, because like they don't really communicate with you, the people who are like making this project. They're ghosts pretty much. The next project I would say is that I hold right now is something called CCX. Now this is called Conceal, down 5%. Now this is very high risk. I only put in total like $400 in it, roughly, from like August or like July of last year. No, not even May of this year. I put some money into here. So I got in at like 6 cents, right? So these guys are trying to make private DeFi, right? Private DeFi banking. So so what this means basically is that they're connected to the other networks like Binance Smart Chain. They're connected to Ethereum. It's a gateway where you guys can take your money and put it onto their network, and it's private, and they wouldn't be able to connect track you anymore. So it's essentially just that. It's just giving you a gateway to lose someone who's tracking you, and make your gains like a lot more harder to follow you. So I thought it was interesting because I haven't really saw anything, a privacy protected DeFi. Like I haven't seen anything like that. On top of that, they have encrypted messaging. So if you want to send messages that are like you don't want any of some sketchy stuff you're doing, I don't know why you'd be doing that. You have that option to message people, and it's not like you can't. It's like their own like ecosystem they're trying to make. I think they continuously develop. What I like about this project is that they have a lot of developments. The high it hit this year in May when everything was going crazy was over $1, right? So it hit over $1 when that happened. And thanks for that. Someone just did a super chat. That's crazy. That's my first super chat. Yeah, mom, get out. I'm doing a live stream. I know, right? God, she's so inconsiderate, obviously. No, we're 5. Thanks for a heads up on Stony Seals. You're welcome, guys. On that if you got into the whitelist, congratulations. You got lucky, because I think it has a good potential to build a lot of hype. Alfred Khan, also known as the man who brought Pokemon to the world, is head of economy licensing. Amazing team. Okay, so like, Oh, so is he trying? Are they trying to make like their own ecosystem with that Omnicoin for I think it was VV. What it was called? Well, let me scroll up. Oh, wait, what, guys? What are you doing? What are you guys doing these super chats? I just got monetized like a couple of weeks ago, so this whole super chat's crazy. Like, what the hell are you guys doing? Thank you so much, Rahul Sham. Like, appreciate that a lot. And unexpected, to be honest. I'm gonna put that into Shiba Inu for you. I promise. And whatever. If I 4x it, we'll split it. I swear. Anyways, thanks guys for those. But where were we? Similar to CCX and XEQs. So what coin? Pitbull. Sorry, I have to read the chat. Floki. The Floki billionaire one? Is that where was this? Oh, baby Floki billionaire. I had this open up already. Like, I'm getting flustered, you know, because I got a freaking $50, $60 in total to that. I'm flustered right now. You guys are making me blush. So this token is called Baby Floki Billionaire. I don't even know, guys. Like, I am just getting so, like, there's too much garbage out here. It's just like, look at the partners. I can't right now. These guys literally put CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, Binance Smart Chain, and PancakeSwap as their partners. Are you serious right now? That is, oh my god. These coins are just ridiculous. The fact that this coin has 30,000 holders, 30,000 holders right now, like, that's, if all it takes for me to make a website, pay some guy on Fiverr, right, to make a crappy website like this and put partners and say like, oh, well, I'm partnered with CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, Binance Smart Chain, and PancakeSwap, and then just release a coin on Binance Smart Chain, and now these guys probably made millions of dollars, let's be honest, the guys who made the project. And it's just, we're doing it wrong, guys. We're not supposed to be investing. We're supposed to be just like like, we're literally supposed to be making our own cryptocurrencies. All of us in this chat should make a cryptocurrency, you know, and just like see what happens. What else can we look into together, guys? I'm having fun. I don't go live because I'm like, oh god, like, maybe it'll be too awkward and I won't have anything to talk about. What do you guys want to talk about? I'm trying to scroll up to see what I missed. CCX is similar to AAR and let's check it out. Why does it, oh, you know what? Why does it always go to this page? Cat girls. Maybe it's a sign. Maybe I need to buy some. It's a pirate chain. Let's check it out. It's 246 coin. Up 246. Pirate chain, the most anonymous cryptocurrency, truly private, decentralized blockchain. Oh, well, developments to check it out. Oh, I didn't talk about Floki. Let's look into that right now. Is it? I believe it's called the Floki Inu. Floki Inu. Let's go. Let's check it out. 86%. Sick. Awesome. Well, what am I doing, guys? Okay, so 86% Floki Inu. It's a when did this get released? Earlier this month. See, this is what I mean. Like, how, I guess during that time, if you just try to do your research, holy crap, if you got in on that time, you would have made ridiculous amount of money. You know, these coins just make it seem like maybe you shouldn't even try to focus on fundamentally good cryptocurrencies that are high risk, because the high risk ones are just the meme coins that are going to make you the most money. It's so let's check out the website. I'll give you guys. I haven't looked into Floki at all. This is my first time, so this is, I guess, your reacting video to reacting thing to it. So it's on. You can buy on PancakeSwap and Uniswap. So okay, so it's both on Binance Smart Chain and Ethereum. That's interesting. I'm guessing they launched on Binance Smart Chain first, and then now it's a bridge. Let's check it out. New crypto birthed by fans and members of the Shiba Inu community. Floki Inu. Floki is inspired by Doge father Elon Musk's very own Shiba Inu. Floki Inu is the only crypto project partner with the Doge father. Floki is working on 3 flagship utility projects: NFT gaming metaverse known as Valhalla, an NFT and merchandise marketplace known as Floki Places, and a content education platform known as Floki University. To be honest, like these coins, I feel like they may have started as meme coins and jokes, but these jokes, the popularity that they got with a proper development team like Shiba Inu had, like they're making a legitimate project, even though that a lot of like boomers or like more traditional investors would say like, why would you like why the hell would you buy something like this? Like I think overall this would be based off of what I'm seeing, it looks like a project that's gonna do good in a bull run. Okay, just remember that it looks like whatever project that looks good, that makes money, will not make money in a bear market. It's just a lot of depression in the bear market. Token 50,000 holders. You got the phase through the games and stuff, major partnerships, 100,000 holders. That's what they have, I guess. Current progress, future plans. What's this Hall of Fame? Let's check it out. Has a top team of space engineers, crypto influencers working hard. Okay, so they have like a good marketing team. Marketing, as long as it matches the development, I guess it's gonna be good. I'm betting a penny. So a penny, what's the max supply? I didn't see that. The max supply is 10. Is that 10 trillion, quadrillion? How many zeros is that? 369. That's a lot of coins out there. What annoys me so much about these Binance Smart Chain projects, like you would think that coin market cap is owned by Binance, that you would have accurate information. Why do I have to go to a cryptocurrency website called PooCoin to find the information I need? Like, it's so annoying. I can't be the only one that thinks like that. Let's see, what else do we got? Canada isn't getting a cent of my earnings. Yeah, like Canada is, I'm not even planning. My plan is to like use when Bitcoin becomes more, like my 10-year plan is to use Bitcoin when it's more like accepted as an investment. And what I would do is take my Bitcoin, right, and collateralize it and just use it and buy real estate or something. Buy real estate or something like that. So but yeah, I think it's definitely a good thing. I looked up, was it Portugal? I didn't see what it is in Portugal. I've seen it in, I think it was Costa Rica, or was it was another Puerto Rico, something like that. You're able to renounce your citizenship and live there and not pay any taxes. Like like I don't know if I want to do that. I feel like they'd kick me out, never let me come back in. Did you guys already talk about it? Sorry, I'm not tuning in. No, we didn't talk about what coin did you ask to look into? This coin. I'll do it. Why not? You guys want me to look at any projects? Why not? Like, let's all do it together. See what, but like, god damn, like 86% all these cryptocurrencies. Before I look into that, I just want to look at the biggest gainers, like Squid Game. I'm dead. 1500%. Come on, what is this crap? In one day, like it has this, it's always the ones that are not my coin. 125%. Guys, you guys are stressing me out looking at all these high risk, coins that are making 125%. I get FOMO easily. That's why I try to not to stay away from the crap coin game, and I just like try to just focus on fundamentally good cryptos. But guys, you're killing me right now. These guys, the charts on those, it's ridiculous. Floki will hit a penny and beat Shiba and Doge market cap. They have a gaming metaverse. You know what? At this point, I didn't think that Dogecoin would be passed by Shiba Inu. At this point, anything's fair game in this market. Nothing makes sense at all. Nothing makes sense. The only thing that makes sense is the only thing that makes sense is the things that don't make sense. If that makes sense. Portugal's the plan too. Yeah. Nice plan. Real estate is a solid. Nice Metal Gear. Look at Gala. Sure. I'll take a look at it. Okay, Gala. Top 229 coin. It was this year, or like last year got created. And it pumped last month. Crazy. Let's check it out. Gala Games. I think I looked into this once. No, I didn't. I lied. Metaverse, Galaverse is bringing the Galaverse with exclusive release. Place your entities in your town. Completely daily challenges. These projects will do good. I have no doubt in my mind that any metaverse crypto project that is good, has good developments, good partnerships like Sandbox, I think it's one of the bigger ones, will 100% do good. The thing I'm interested though is that since Facebook is making a metaverse, right? I wonder if they're gonna partner with like Sandbox or like a game like this, like Gala Games, or they're just gonna try to be their own thing and just destroy everything else. Like they have the resources. I mean, it's gonna be interesting to see what happens. Lower risk. What do you think of DAG? Let's check it out. Something that has a decent return, which is not a meme coin, is Acro. Check it out. Cool, ignore me, but the pumps are insane. Oh, sorry, I'm not trying to ignore you. There's just so let me check it out for you. Saitama, isn't that someone from the, what was the series called? It's familiar. Check it out. Up 21%, 84 million volume, $3.4 billion market cap. Is that accurate? You know what? It's on. Earlier this year. I don't get what makes it go up this high. Like, I guess it's just a lot of FOMO. A lot of people start talking about it. Marketing starts to hit. Let's check it out. Fostering a future of finance. Welcome to Saitama, community-driven platform promoting financial well-being by empowering people of all ages, cultures to be in control of their money. The smart code that makes it safe to invest and beneficial to hold. Yeah, it seems like one of those projects that are, to be honest, like a lot of these projects start to look the same, right? Because they say the same things, right? They say there's passive income, you hold, you get benefits, you get all these kinds of things. The only thing that would make these good is that if you got in early and then it was and their community is good, their marketing is good, it has to be good in order to, people have to, like 76k followers, like people have to, like, I hate to say this, but a lot of these projects are just Ponzi schemes. I hate to say it because the people in the very beginning makes the most money, and it's like they're only buying it with hopes to sell it for a higher cost to the next person, right? So I like during the bear market, if there's no actual utility to any of these cryptocurrencies, it's gonna fail, right? Though the thing with crypto, it's different from stocks. So stocks, it's based off of people buying it up or selling it will lower the price of the stock. But if Bitcoin, for example, hits like $400,000, there has to be a worldwide volume to sustain that price, because the more volume it's being used, so the more transactions Bitcoin has, or any cryptocurrency, even if there's selling pressure, people are transacting, it's not gonna hit as much, right? It's gonna be less volatile, if that makes sense. So the more volume, the more utility, the more it'll be able to sustain its price. We got 32 people in here. That's a new record for me. If you guys are new here, please hit the like button. It really brings this channel out, and I really appreciate every single person. One Punch Man, yes, thank you. That's the one. One Punch Man. I don't want to get political, but Trump coin was an easy 10x gain. You know what? You are 100% right. Like, a lot of these coins are just easy 10x gains if you just got in on it. Just stop, not worried about anything else. What do I think about? Let's check it out, guys. There's a lot of cryptocurrencies out here. There's so much to keep track of. That's why I'd like to stick with Cardano project, because everything's so new there. So we have Binance Smart Chain top. Check out the website. 600,000 volume. Built for adoption, designed for a brighter NFT future. Is it just me? Oh, powered by, okay, Solana too. That's good. But I was gonna say, is it just me that every time I see an NFT, any projects that are on Binance Smart Chain, I automatically think it's some kind of like shitcoin or something. I automatically think it. I don't know why, but I think it's. I can't be the only one. Like, something about Binance Smart Chain just has a bad taste in my mouth. Yeah. Dag, sorry, I wasn't sure if you were looking at Say Tomorrow for someone else. I was looking for someone else. I'll look at Dag right now. Why not? Oh, it's Constellation. I remember Crypto Mason. I follow him on TikTok. He was talking about this project. To be honest, I didn't really look into it. I'm a kind of stubborn person, to be honest, when it comes to convincing to buy a cryptocurrency. Like, you tell me to buy something, I'll be like, why? Why do you want me to buy it? But Hedera, like a hypergraph, but I know Hedera hashgraph is gonna be big. I know he shows that coin a lot. Crypto Mason. Why do you say that? Like, to me, like, the only reason why I don't like Binance Smart Chain is because it's more centralized, right? I think like the nodes, like, Binance owns almost all of it, and it goes against what cryptocurrency is, in my opinion. So that's why I don't really like Binance Smart Chain. Not saying that I made money off Binance Smart Chain. I'm not kind of trying to discredit that. I made some good money on Binance Smart Chain. But like my risk, I'd rather be with Ethereum or Cardano for the future, because I remember, like, earlier this year there was a lot of FUD about Binance, about like they're trying to, like, they're banned in Canada now, in Ontario. Like, if you're an Ontario resident, like I live in Ontario, Canada, like, you're not even allowed to make an account on Binance anymore. Like, you can't use it. So it's kind of messed up. So I don't know why that's the case, but it doesn't. I don't know what I'm gonna do to sell some like my Binance coins, to be honest. Price prediction for CCX. I would say it's pretty. Wait, hold on. Before, hey, here for the first time, loving what you're doing. Have you looked into Star Atlas yet? Oh, that video game, the game, right? That I have looked into the game. It looks interesting. I haven't played it yet, but the graphics on that, it looks freaking amazing, from what I remembered. It just looks so realistic. It's like Avatar, but better. Yeah, if you guys haven't seen this game, check it out. It's definitely a cool, like, I would say it's more of a strategic game. But in terms of the next part of the question, adax. So adax, I heard some mixed reviews. I haven't been covering. A lot of people have been asking me to cover adax, but I haven't been covering it because I've heard mixed reviews about it from other people, to be honest. I heard like it's something about it doesn't sit right. Because of that, I haven't done much research in it. It is on my to-do list to reassure. There's this one Reddit post I read about how it's not, like, something's up with it. But again, I haven't done my full research. That was my only taste into it. That's why I haven't covered it. I only like to cover projects I'm 100% on, right? If there's like a 5% chance, 10% chance, unless I say in the beginning it's a high risk coin, I don't like to cover it, to be honest. That's why I'm reluctant to cover high risk coins in my portfolio, because like if I make a mistake, it's on me. But if I bring anyone down with me, I feel terrible about it. But trading ERC20 less than 1K isn't even worth your money. Exactly. You're 100% right. I'm not saying, like I said, there's so much money to be made on Binance Smart Chain. 100%. I'm not discrediting that at all. But because of the low transaction fees, the centralized nature of it, a lot more newer investors will flock towards it, and that's why some projects are launching on it. And they don't. I feel like people who launch on it, they're focusing more just on how to get people versus the tech or something like that. But then again, I've seen some projects on Binance Smart Chain migrate to like Solana, like the one you showed, and like to Ethereum. So they're available both ways, and there's like bridges. So that's good too, right? So as long as they continuously innovate, that's good. I look for your Twitter. Yeah, send it to me. I mean, my Twitter is it's crypto buff. Links in the description of this stream. It should be over there. BNB Pay. I wonder what's gonna happen if it's gonna be crazy, to be honest. Like I have no idea. Like I have some BNB, I have some bakery swap that I made some good money. I made in total like 4x off of that coin. It's good. Their Telegram channel is off the hook. The one thing though I will say is like one of the things the reason why I don't like Binance coins, the tokens, because the majority of them, not saying all of them, but the majority of the tokens I've seen, they're literally just the Telegram is full of people saying like, okay, when's the next pump? All right, when's the next pump? Okay, it's up 5%, we're going to the moon. They don't talk about anything else. And when I see that in the Telegram group, I don't invest into those projects. I don't like to invest into those projects because that's all they talk about. Like what happens when the bull market is gone? It's not gonna last. Like people aren't gonna sit in the Telegram group and talk about how much money they lost, right? Everyone's just gonna forget about it. Yeah, send follow me on Twitter. We can talk. But I want to circle back again because the new people, I guess, are joining right now. Back to SundaeSwap. Guys, like I'm saving more of my money for SundaeSwap's launch, right? Not just on the token. I made videos on this already. The true potential, the true opportunities are going to be listed not for SundaeSwap's token, but the projects that are going to launch on SundaeSwap. So the exact same thing that's happening on Binance Smart Chain is going to happen exactly to SundaeSwap when that launches. So when that happens, that's where all the opportunities are going to be made. Everything, all your money, all the biggest opportunities you're going to make is going to be on SundaeSwap for Cardano. I made a video about how I think it's going to be making, it's going to make a lot of millionaires. It was pretty much directed to these DEX platforms and all that good stuff. I mean, like, when we look at, 1 second. Let me just show you guys the ecosystem if you guys haven't checked out my newest video. And I want to explain my thought process. I've explained it in my other videos, but I want to explain it again for you guys. Where the hell did it go? I have way too many tabs. I gotta close some out. Too many tabs right now. Okay, so back to what I was saying. Will you hold SundaeSwap? Will you hold SundaeSwap long term? Yes. I believe I would probably hold this until the next bull run. I've held high risk coins, altcoins for a while since the last bull run, so I would hold it till the next bull run for sure. Can you touch more on projects for SundaeSwap? Yeah, sure. We're gonna go into it right now. So keen for SundaeSwap, 100%. I am keen on SundaeSwap because Cardano's community is big, right? We have to remember that, and that the fact that we know how successful smart contracts is gonna be, right? Cardano has a network, right? Cardano has millions of people who are using the network. But the problem is for Cardano right now is that there's nothing to use, right? Because of smart contracts that got introduced like literally in September. So everything's starting to be built. But up until September, there wasn't really anything to use on Cardano, just like staking it, right? That's about it. There wasn't any DeFi, there wasn't any NFTs that you can buy or anything, any markets that you can participate. That's why Ethereum was so popular, because it has that, but obviously gas fees are too much money. Cardano is low fees right now, and then they already implemented the smart contracts, but now we have the developers that are now trying to build on it, build their projects, right? So the same success, the same key success that we've seen on Ethereum is 100% going to be successful in Cardano, right? It doesn't make sense why it wouldn't. But it'll have like a little bit of a Cardano twist. I mean, ISOs, that's unique to Cardano, where you don't even have to risk your initial capital by supporting a project. So instead of like having to support an ICO, I don't know about you guys, but I lost some money in the last bull run through some ICOs I participated in, where the cryptocurrency is like worth nothing now, right? So in this way you can stake your rewards, delegate your rewards to a project, support it. You don't even have to worry about like losing any money, just losing your rewards at 5%. It's way better in my opinion. So I'm a bit scared that SundaeSwap might have an unfair launch like MiniSwap. I was there for a MinSwap, sorry. I was there for that morning. 650K worth of ADA was sold in less than 1 minute to whales with their own staff. You're looking forward to it. Exactly. For some reason, people expected these smart contracts enabled apps to be released the day smart contract. Exactly. And that's why people are like, what I don't get is that people blow up the comments sometimes and they go like, what's wrong? SundaeSwap is never gonna launch. Like literally, like it got launched, like smart contracts got introduced literally in like September, like a month and a half ago, like 2 months now. Like that's such a short time, and these developers are trying to like catch up. So I feel like the window of opportunity is going to be so small for Cardano, right? For these projects, because of how exponential the development process is going to get, because they know what to work on. It's going to be the window of the opportunity to get in on these projects at the very beginning is going to be short. So you have to be keeping your eyes out for everything. So correct me if I'm wrong. Basically, you stake your Cardano on SundaeSwap and gain SundaeSwap tokens. So basically what happens is that you're going to use a Nami wallet, right? The Nami wallet is this wallet. I have my extension right here. I made a video on that if you guys want to check it out on how to use Nami wallet. Now, Nami wallet is going to let you connect your wallet. It's going to be a way to connect to the SundaeSwap DEX platform. Now they are going to be introducing Uri and Daedalus in the future, but they wanted to do Nami because Nami is open source, and because it's open source, they don't have to worry about going back and forth with the team at Uri or Daedalus or anything like that. Plus, because you have to go through their team first in order to connect, you're most likely gonna have to pay some money too, right? And it's just like doesn't make sense. You want to change something, instead of just changing it and saying, okay, we're done, we're finished, you have to go through them. That's not really realistic. So that's why they're using NamiSwap, and that's why a lot of other DeFi exchanges are just using NamiSwap because of how easy it is to integrate with. So that's one of the biggest things in that regards. But holy crap, we've been on live for over an hour. It does not feel like an hour. Like, damn. Okay. But, oh no, so I can't use Uri and SundaeSwap. Yeah, for now, maybe later on down the line, but you will be able to, but later you will. But anyways, let's quickly go through like this, what I was trying to finish over here, and then we'll probably end the stream. It's been over an hour. So, however, when you look at all these, let me see if you guys can see it properly. So when you guys look at this, right? You have Aave, you have SushiSwap, Uniswap, all of these projects, right, are successful. Okay, if you got in on these projects at the very beginning, you would have made 1,000x on your investment easily, 100x. You would have made life-changing money if you got in on Uniswap on day one. 100% you would have. Now the thing is that these are very mature, right? You have the dominant projects that are dominating the space for DeFi. So DeFi, Uniswap is dominating. There is one of the most the bigger ones, SushiSwap. Like you have all of these projects that are built on DeFi. Now, there's clearly going to be multiple winners, but obviously there's only one. There's one bigger one, the one winner that basically won everything, which is Uniswap because of how big it is right now, right? Because the first of its kind is usually the biggest. That's how it is for crypto usually. Like the first of its kind for Ethereum, smart contracts is like the number 2 cryptocurrency. First of its kind, Bitcoin, number 1 still. So basically, when we look at Cardano's ecosystem, right? That same opportunity is here. Now this is gonna change. It's gonna change so much. Like look, like comparing the DEX liquidity, the DEX side to Ethereum's DEX, like it's like a fraction of it, right? There's gonna be so many more opportunities that's not even listed on here. That's gonna be here. That's gonna get updated, right? So which one is gonna be the most successful? Is gonna be the one that has the best following, right? The biggest community, right? Because more people are going to know about it. And right now, SundaeSwap is in a lead for that. That's why I'm so bullish on it. It's simple. Sometimes you don't need to complicate investing. You can just do one thing and you're going to hit it, right? So that is definitely the thing for sure. Sundae and Liquid Finance can't wait. Exactly. They're securing some good partnerships in that regards. Like with Meld is going to be huge. I believe. I think Meld is going to be one of the bigger banking coins, right? This is what my high risk coin wants to be. the high risk one I told you guys about. That's what this wants to be. But basically, what's gonna like Meld in this regards, Meld I think it's gonna be probably the bigger lending project because of how much ADA is staked right now. So I believe like 600 million ADA is staked. That's over $1 billion of value that is staked onto that people are delegating their rewards to Meld, right? And I made a previous video in July about Meld, and I talked to one of the guys who runs Meld, and they said they're not even going to sell or even use the money that they got because they already have everything done. They're just going to put it and add more liquidity to the system and just earn interest on it. That's it. So it's going to be crazy. It's going to be good. Guys, if you guys are just tuning in, thank you. Welcome. We are an hour and 7 minutes in. I'll stay for a little longer. Hit the like button if you're new. That does help support the channel. Just a little bit confused. Is there going to still be an ISPO for SundaeSwap? That's a good question, but I skipped Rahul's first. So EMP is good, but 50-50, man. Yeah, like I actually tomorrow on Empower. Now Empower it's a 50-50 for sure. It is a 50-50. I have a meeting with a Zoom meeting tomorrow at 12 with one of the co-founders of Empower, right? I want to do a full video on Empower and give you guys the inside scoop of it. And I do have some questions. I didn't want to do a full detailed video on Empower yet. I did like a short part of it in my top 5 DEX platforms. But I wanted to get some more details as to how they're going to use their DeFi platform and help the people in Africa. Because in Zimbabwe, the interest rate for mortgages are 45% right now. It's ridiculous. And what they're trying to do is build DeFi, use DeFi to give more affordable rates to people who live in Zimbabwe. It's crazy. But back to what... that's a 50-50, 100%. That's a 50-50. Just a little confused. Is there going to still be an ISPO for SundaeSwap? Yes, there is. The reason why it was supposed to be launched earlier this year, but because of regulation, they had to face some problems with the SEC because they can't have an ISO without. They said that they can't release an ISO without having a DEX platform live. right? That's what they said. And they also said that they can't have an ICO where they can say like based off of like have a pre-sale. They can't have a pre-sale either because they're not allowed to have a price per coin, or it's going to deem it as a security. If it deems it as a security, it's going to be a ripple headache for us, right? Especially that these guys are based in the United States. They need to play ball. They need to play they need to play nice with the regulators, because if they don't, they're going to screw themselves. They're going to screw us in the process. Zoom meeting with the founder of EMP, man, that'll boost your view, and man, that'd be crazy. I know. Is not the founder, the co-founder. We've been communicating on email. I don't know if I'm gonna record it because honestly, I've never done an interview before. I'll see how it goes, but I will be just asking questions to see how what we're gonna be doing. But I will be asking him some questions to see what we can expect from Power. I really wish, the one thing I regret from Power is because I didn't get in on their freaking NFT. I really wanted to get in on their NFT, but I loafed it. I was too much of a procrastinator, and by the time I was ready to get in it, they sold all their NFTs because of that. Next question. Guys, by the way, I want to say thank you so much for participating in the chat. I still can't believe I have 23 people in this chat. It's ridiculous. Like, I started this channel like November of last year, and I was so crazy that we even had like 10 subscribers at one point. So we're growing, the community is growing, and I love it. I love everything. Where was I? So just a little confused. Is they're going to still? Yeah, we already talked about that. So we just to finish it. So DEX platform and ISO will launch at the same time for when SundaeSwap is ready. Official financial advice only. Hey bro, prediction for CCX official. $1, I think. So CCX is gonna at least break its all-time high. It went to $1 something in May. I can see it happening again to go over $1. So that's like a 3x from here for CCX. I think that's doable. And once we get in a peak of bull run, and then I start seeing, I'm gonna cash out of it, because I don't know. I don't think it can withstand the bear market. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. I don't know. Everything I don't think will stand a bear market. Mel Dunn and Ask Me Anything recently. It's on YouTube. I haven't checked it out yet. I'll definitely check it out and make. Oh, that's a good video idea. I'll do a Mel Ask Me Anything recap. Thank you. You just figured out what video I'm going to be posting tomorrow or the day after. Ray Network looks promising. Yes, it was on my. I'm going to be doing. I'm doing a part 2 of the top 5 DEX platforms. It's on my list. Ray and I forgot the other one, Okami or something. Okami, I think it's called that. And then those 2 ones are on my list. I'm gonna do a new top 5 part 2, so you guys can just get updated. Trust guys, there's so many opportunities here. Like even looking at the screen right now, like look, like it's just starting. Like you have so many opportunities. Like a lot of these coins, these projects don't even have their native tokens able to buy yet. I mean, that's how early we are right now. You're watching this right now. You are so early that if you play your cards right, you'll be able to make some good money in the next 3 to 4 years, right? And it's up to you guys if you guys want to take some risk, but I think the risk is worth it. You started to mention some of the projects that will utilize SundaeSwap that could potentially offer larger gains. What are some examples? So there's gonna be projects that launch on SundaeSwap, right? Similar to like PancakeSwap. SafeMoon launched on PancakeSwap because it's the DEX platform. You don't need like approval, right? You just launch it. If you can code, it's open source. You can do it. So there's only one project I know of. It's on my Telegram right now. So give me a second. Let me pull it up. And they just some guy just talked about it in the chat. I would tread very carefully around this project though. It's called Shroge, SHROGE. If you guys were in the Telegram group, tread very carefully on that project, because that's one project they're waiting to do a meme. They're a meme token trying to create a lot of hype, and when SundaeSwap goes live, they're gonna up their marketing. It could be big, who knows? It could be like a way to make some money. But there's not many projects right now that are announced that they're going to be launching on SundaeSwap, but there will be once like the beta goes out and all that stuff. One thing they confirmed though is that they are going to have a beta before when SundaeSwap goes live. Like they're going to have a beta, and then the launch will happen. So the fact that we don't even have a beta yet, like a launch date for a beta, like expect it to be after the beta too. So we still have to go through a beta. That's what they were saying. Okay, so that comes back to what he said in another video. They will come out the same day. Yeah, exactly, they will come out the same day. You can just buy it right away or just stake. So that's why my 80-20 rule is there. For me, 80% of my ADA is going to be staked, 20% of it is going to be swapped to Sunday tokens, and then I will start to take more out of my stake, my ISO stake, and then I'll put it more into the token, and I'll be holding that token for until the next bull run. That's my goal, right? Like, yeah, I'll hold it until the next bull run. It could go down 40%, 50%. I don't care. I'm holding it to the next bull run because that's when more coins are going to be. Okay, so that comes back to what you said. Yeah, Ravendex looks like a scam. Keep reopening ICO. Ravendex, let's check it out. First non-custodial DEX platform. What the hell? Is this a glitch? Can somebody confirm? Definitely a scam. I don't know. Like, when I see this, I just think that's so lazy that these guys are probably like, oh, I don't want to fix it. You guys see this? Like, it's all like messed up. Is this some artistic take on their website? I don't know. But I'm not even. I'm gonna just say, I would agree with you. I'm inclined to agree with you in terms of that being a scam, to be honest. Okay, well, we're gonna start heading off. I'm gonna do the last questions, and then I'm gonna take off, hit the gym, and just start planning for a video tomorrow. I'm trying to do a video every single day with you for you guys. It's gonna be good. Haha, dude, your last you like my laugh? Ha ha ha. Your last video, I bought their NFT. You did, yeah. I'm jealous now, or like I want it now. Give it. Like, I'm trying to buy it, but people are not even. I don't know if they're on this. I couldn't find it on the marketplace. I would buy it, but like, that's crazy. I'm happy you got in on that, because I think it's really a good opportunity, because the thing is about NFTs. I know I'm going off topic now, but the thing is about NFTs, the more use cases it has. So if the NFTs from a company like Empower, these guys have money, like, they're gonna give actual value behind it. And I think it's gonna be based off some people who just want to do the world, like charities and stuff would love those kinds of NFTs if it gives you some exclusive rights to go into a party or something like that. Like the Bored Ape Yacht Club, they have an exclusive party for anyone who has that NFT to go into New York and party with all these other rich people and like laugh over wine and all that grind and all that stuff. Where do you stake your ADA? I go on Uri right now, but it's gonna go to NamiSwap or Nami Wallet when SundaeSwap goes live. They say the ICO is closing them shortly. After a few days they reopen. It just seems like they want more money, right? Meld, Emp, Mal, those aren't good. I literally just joined at the end. Yeah, unfortunately. But if I get big on Cat Girl, you can have my EMPCM. Awesome, thank you. I really appreciate it, guys. Guys, whoever just tuned in, I thank you guys for tuning in. I'm gonna call it quits. It's been an hour and 20 minutes. I'm gonna take a little bit of a break. I'm gonna start doing more lives more frequently. Maybe I might post a video at like 11 a.m., 12 p.m., and then do a live in the afternoon. I'm thinking of something like that. But yeah, I'm hyped for you, for everyone who's in here, and hyped for everyone who's supporting the channel. Hopefully everyone makes money. But I just got a notification that Ethereum is on a run right now. Like, it's up 9% or something. I got a notification. Did we just hit a new all-time high? Are we up on a new all-time high right now? That's a nice way to end off the stream. Oh, we did. We hit a new all-time. We are on, guys. What the hell? We are in an all-time high for ETH. I know I said I was gonna go, but like, I guess I gotta refresh my portfolio. You know, I haven't done that all day today, dude. Yo, guys, what the hell? I don't know what the hell just happened. Babcoin. I talked about it earlier. It's up 30%. I don't know. I'm definitely not big enough to pump that freaking coin up. Dude, what? No way. No way. Quick, change the title of this video and start going. No freaking way. I literally was just talking about this cryptocurrency, one of my high risk coins, right? And I just made and like it just went up to 30. I highly, no way you guys pumped it up. I had like 20 people watching this stream. Like, I don't believe it. The volume is up to $1.7 million. What? Guys, what? For those of you guys who just tune in right now, for those of you guys who just tune in right now, so Babcoin is one of my high risk portfolios. I was talking about it like earlier, like 30 minutes ago or something like that, whatever. And it was like, it wasn't up this much money, and then now it's like up significantly. Like, no, that's crazy. But anyways, like freaking, not only that, Ethereum is killing it too. We're hitting new all-time highs. Like, this is like, I'm like, oh my god, this is getting crazy. Okay, well, I'll leave it at that. Pump it up, join in your Discord. Yeah, I take credit for that. Raul, did you buy some Babcoin or what? Tell me. I guess I should have joined 30 minutes earlier, I guess, but like I really was not expecting a 30% increase in Babcoin in literally just now. Now, the thing is about this coin is that I thought it was dead, because I've been holding this coin since 2018, right? But up until like the end of like in 2019, right, is when I started to buy more and try to expand my wallet. I wanted to be like a top 40 or 50 wallet here for Bab. That was like my goal at the time. I don't think I'm there anymore because of obviously the market, like people are changing, right? I mean, people keep buying more and all that. They keep dollar cost averaging. But yeah, like you're up on Cat Girl already. Oh my god. Everyone's within the time that you joined and we were talking about Cat Coin, you already made some money on it. Damn. Like, it's this is what I'm talking about. Everyone's dying, everyone's going crazy. But anyways, everyone's tuning out. I think that's my sign to tune out. Again, thank you guys for making here. See you guys tomorrow when I post another video. Again, thank you guys all, and let me know what you guys want me to cover in the comment section, and just like, you know, do all that good stuff. Like, comment, subscribe, and join my Discord and Telegram group. The link is in the description below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Well, the next live. That's my signature, guys. Peace. All right.